Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to The Edge podcast brought to you by Lockin, where we have tough conversations with traders that have seen it all and made it to the top. Guys, today my guest is PixPio. This guy has been trading on Hyperliquid and then before that for a while. And, we met on one of the conferences, been trying to book this interview for a very long time because he took some vacation off. But now, we made it. We are here. Thank you for coming on, man. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Always. Well, look, let's start with this. How did you even, get into crypto and perps? Because a lot of people say that, perps are dangerous and that you shouldn't trade perps and all these kind of things. Were you always trading perps, or you started, in a different kind of crypto niche?
I started with NFTs actually.
Mhm.
Then the NFTs died and the Memecoin started. Then I started to learn the memes. I made most of my money was from memes actually, meme coins.
Mhm.
Yeah, but after Trump, every meme died. The volume has died, but the volume in perps never die. There's always volume.
Right.
There's always money to me. So I just started to learn some perps. I actually shorted a lot of crypto. That's where I made most of my money there.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Interesting. And like in the meme coin times, what would you say was the key? Because to some extent it was like whatever you bought, it was going up, but also I do believe you needed real skill to make money and exit at the right time and not buy every single garbage coin. So maybe what kind of principles you had back then when you were trading memes?
Actually, when you're trading memes, you only need some good group with you. That's so you
Mhm.
can scan together all day. That's it. You don't need anything else. Just
Okay. So you would say it's all about the community? It's that
it's
simple?
about your group, about your friends that trade
Mhm.
with you. Yeah, because like trading solo is hard a lot. Like you can't catch everything. Like sometimes you are out, sometimes you are on your phone, not on your setup. So you just check your phone, you check your group, you check what they scan, and then you just buy. That's where
How did you like, did you join any of the groups or you created your own? Because I think a lot of people, that like it's an internet community at the end of the day. And I think for some people it might be hard to get into one of those communities.
I was in Outliers group.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, and I made my own group actually for some times.
Okay.
Yeah, I was in some FNFs, some private FNFs. Yeah, but there's a lot of groups that make money public.
Hmm. And what were some of your biggest wins back then on memes, if you remember?
PNUT was my biggest one.
Peanut
PNUT
was
was
a good one.
yeah, I made like around 7 figures.
Yeah, crazy. That was probably one of my biggest fades last year. No, sorry, 2 years ago. Because I was busy building, and someone
Oh,
sent it to me. I didn't buy it like 20 or 25 million, and then the rest is history.
I catch it like at 10 million.
Wow.
Then I rebought at 100 million when I saw Elon Musk bull posting.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah. I mean, all
I
you need is
actually
one coin, no?
yeah, I actually sold a bit early. I sold at 1 bill. It reached in the same day. It reached 2 billion, I think, or 1.9.
Yeah,
So
but
I
I
missed
think
another million. I missed another million.
but I think there is a lot of people. I mean, I don't know about you, but I know a lot of people that were holding forever and they, never sold or they
Yeah,
round trip. So I
yeah,
think, it's better to sell a little bit too early than not sell at all.
like some people have a lot of money that they don't care about 1 million or 2 million. They can't. But for me, like 1 million is a lot of money actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't hold
And
them in just one position.
mhm. So okay, so you were trading memes and then you made this transition into perps and you were like, straight short. Like tell me more about your journey with perps because like I'm interested in that.
I started perhaps before before the 5 months or 4 months actually.
Okay.
I wasn't that familiar with perps. I joined a few paid groups there.
Mm-hmm.
Then but when I started to learn for myself, I think I was a little bit good. I was
Mm-hmm.
profitable actually. I was profitable. So I tried the first on Bybit. Bybit was one of the best there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but then I started on Hyperliquid. Was everything was public. I missed the airdrop, but
Yeah, me too.
I hope there is another airdrop because I have a lot
Mm-hmm.
of volume there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but then the after 1010 happened, I made a lot of money on
Mm-hmm.
1010 because I have like a lot of shorts. I was like in red for like 2 weeks before 1010. Then I closed a lot after that date.
Mm-hmm.
But then I was greedy to long. I longed with like 30% of my portfolio, and I lost
Okay.
it. So I had to
Oh,
take a break. Yeah, so I had to take a break.
what kind of what kind of principles do you have when making decisions? Because I spoke to a lot of people, and every single one of them, they have different way when it comes to how they decide to enter or exit. And some of those people use indicators and they are profitable. Some of those people, they don't use indicators and they are also profitable. So I'm curious, what is your methodology for trading perps?
I trade with info actually, with just the info, because like after Trump was the president, had the president. There's nothing to do with this like chart. It's all about the info. It's pump and dump with charts.
What do you
I
think
don't.
makes you profitable? What do you think
Like
is like your secret sauce?
I don't have a secret sauce actually. It's like just stick with that. Like I had a lot of time before I made a lot of money here. So I just think
Hmm.
I understand it enough because I have been here for like 4 or 5 years in crypto.
Hmm.
Before the first 3 years I never made a lot of money. It's
Hmm.
all just about the last 2 years or 2.5 years. So I just think I'm experienced enough, like any other people.
What do you think were some of the mistakes that you were making back then that, let's say, prevented you from being profitable?
Uh, I think like I don't I didn't have the experience, and I didn't have the people to talk to. I was trading solo all the day.
Hmm.
Like yeah, I was the exit liquidity back then.
Hmm.
Yeah. So I didn't know. I didn't trade about anything before. Like you need to. I didn't like in the NFT stage. You only need a good group to get like the whitelist and everything. You
Hmm.
remember? So yeah, I didn't have that groups. I didn't have a lot of money actually back then to join any. Yeah, so I was just like trading solo all day and losing money.
So that would be the first thing that you advise to someone, to just like not try to figure it all out alone.
Yeah, exactly. You need to have your friends. You need to have your group. Like
100%.
it doesn't have to be like the best group. It just have to be someone looked in enough with you that
Yeah. Why do you
won't
think it
like
helps? Like, why do you think it's so hard to make it alone?
like because you are trading you are trading against the groups. You are not trading against people solo. Like
Interesting.
yeah, everyone is trading with the group. Yeah, so you'll be just exit liquidity without them. They know what they are doing.
I want to talk a little bit more
Es-
about the
especially
psychology.
especially in perps actually. Especially in
Why do you think it's
yeah, you are trading against against firms. You are trading against MMs, not just like people. So you have to have group. You have to have your stop loss. Yeah, you can't trade solo there. You are not winning
actually?
there.
I have an interesting question. When you place stop losses, or do you even use stop losses? But when you do, mm, how do you think about placing them? Because for some people, I know a stop loss is just like a percentage of the trading account they are willing to lose. For some people, they look for some levels on the chart. And how do you do it?
Yeah, I actually look at about the chart like it's just like how much you will lose for me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if it's a lot, like you can get liquidated in the, and sometimes I don't even use the stop loss because I know like what I'm doing is right. It might take a lot of time. It might go higher, but I know I am right.
Give me some example, some like real trades where you had this conviction and then it actually played out the way you thought about it.
When I was shorting the crypto,
For example, yeah.
yeah, in October, like
Okay.
I was shorting everything, every major,
Mm-hmm.
but I was in red for like 2 weeks or 10 days.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was adding more and more. I removed my stop loss because I know crypto was stopped there
Mm-hmm.
after Trump. Like after Trump, there's nothing good after Trump.
Mm.
Yeah, so yeah, I know the crypto ain't more like even if we pump a little more, we are topped. We are going down 100%. And I actually closed my shorts a little bit early, but I made my money.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so there I know 100% I was right, but there's time you ain't right actually. So you have to close. You have to take the loss.
Mm. I see.
Yeah.
Do you often like close at a loss or no? Or you just
What?
keep adding? Like I want to understand like how you're trading because some people are very like they have very short term mindset, which is not necessarily bad, but they take quick trades. And some people, like for example, with your shorts, you let it run for like weeks, probably, right? Hey, real quick, if you trade crypto or Forex and you keep running into the same set of mistakes, like taking profits too early, moving stop losses all the time, chasing the pump at 3 a.m., I know exactly what you're doing because I've been in the same place. And that's why we built Lock-in. Analyze thousands of accounts, over 400 data points per trade, 11 emotional states, every single thing that destroy traders. It's like Whoop, but for traders. Now, if you want to get access to top 7 mistakes that destroy over 90% of accounts, go to lockin.trade and leave your email. That will also put you on a priority access for the Lock-in app. Now, let's get back to the podcast. So what kind of trader you are in that sense?
I actually take both. Some trades like take like just quick profit and go, but sometimes yeah, like I'm longing hype from Terry. I'm holding this position. Like
Mm-hmm.
I have a position like from Terry. I think I will close like half of it if we hit 80 or 85.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I will hold it like until 100. I'm not close. I paid a lot in funding, but profit is
Yeah.
profit from it's making like because like this is the niche project of that will make crypto alive again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Hype.
hype. Yeah, yeah. This is
Aren't.
like
Uh-huh.
I don't think I can hold anything else beside hype this bull market.
Mm-hmm.
Like is there anything like you can hold now?
It's very
There's
hard to
nothing.
say. there's
Yeah,
there's
there's
nothing.
nothing interesting.
I mean, especially at this stage of the market where like it's a second half of a midterm year. So crypto is not in the best position, but we always get some sort of bounces along the way. So
Yeah,
yeah, probably hype is one of the best things to hold.
like hype is the best thing to hold. Like with Bitcoin, actually, even better RR with Bitcoin.
Mm. How do you think about risk management?
I
How much
don't
do you
think
risk
about
per
that.
trade? How do you do it? Or do you don't have it specified?
Yeah, I don't have a specific thing, but I actually risk like 15% per trade actually
Okay.
in the account from
And
the account.
uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah.
And you
So
trade with
if
like your
I
full port or no?
like with what?
With your full port or no?
Oh no, just with trading part. No, I have like I have like 500K trading part
Mm-hmm.
right now. With
Mm-hmm.
the yeah, I risk like 15 to 10%.
Yeah, I think it's also worth saying because like a lot of people, they see, for example, your trading port, and they will think, oh, this guy trades with all his money, and it's not true, right? Because you know that even if you, God forbid, get completely wiped out, you still have money outside, right?
Yeah, exactly. You need to have money outside. You need to have like some sort of money coming. Like you need to move your money. Like you have you need to have some outside business from crypto.
You have some outside business from crypto.
Yeah, yeah. It actually, I made it from crypto the first.
Okay.
Then I made my business IRL.
You want to disclose a little bit? What is it or no?
No, it's private.
Okay, we keep it private then.
Yeah.
I want to talk with you about the psychology in trading. Have you ever like struggled with any psychological stuff, or like what people see they struggle, what you see people struggle with when it comes to like psychology and the whole like mind
When
approach?
like when you are deep in red, like you can't think good. You have to know, like, yeah, you don't know you have to cut or not. Like I have this problem a lot when I'm
Okay,
deep in. Yeah, but
how to deal with it?
mostly I just keep hold the position actually.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Have you ever got like wiped out like completely or no?
No, actually I didn't.
I mean,
It
that
was,
means you have good risk management.
yeah, but it was so close, but I didn't actually. Yeah, I was like
Interesting.
deep in red when I was shorting XPL at
Mm-hmm.
80 cents. It went to like 1.3 or 1.5. I don't actually remember.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah, I was like, I was shorting a lot at 0.8.
Why did you know this? Like, why did you have so much conviction in this trade?
Like because crypto was dumping at that time. Crypto was so as you can't hold this. Like why is this keep going up?
Mm-hmm.
And it's just another card. There is a lot of cards here, and like the pre-sale buyers was up like 50,000% or 40,000% from their
Mm-hmm.
pre-sale price.
Right.
Yeah, yes. At some point, people will take profit. Yeah, it
Yeah.
just kept pumping. Yes, but I closed at like break even because I was so scared.
Yeah. No, I mean, there is no right or wrong, right? Because in the moment, it's so hard so hard to tell. I mean, now when XPL is like what, at 10 cents or 8 cents, people will say, "Oh, it was so obvious," right? But when it just
Yeah,
came back from 1.3 to up to your entry point, it's not that close, and sometimes it's just better to close the position, right?
yeah. It was so hard to hold it. Like it went like to 1.6, then back to 1.8, then back up, then look, so fuck it. I'm just gonna close it. Yeah, I had my money.
I want to ask you: do you trade every day or no, or you're just like chill? Let's see what's happening. If there's a trade, there's a trade. If there's no trade, I don't trade.
I actually, yeah, I trade mostly every day. I like,
Okay.
I take some shorts every day. Actually, it's not or some longs. Like for if any some shit coins pump it 30 or 40%, I just short it.
Mm-hmm.
90% of time it's working out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you might lose in the 10%, but it will work 100%. Yeah, but for the big size trades, no, I think like 2 or 3 times a month I take trade.
What were some of your recent like the big size trades?
The big size trades, I long sold from 65 to 75. Yeah, 75 or
Mm,
70, 76. Yeah, like after
that
I
was
saw I saw Ensemble posting, like yeah, that was obvious.
hmm.
Yeah.
Ansem was that catalyst, or because like everyone was screaming like, oh, we are going to 50K, da da da, um, and then we didn't, and
Yeah,
so why did you
yeah.
have like so much conviction? Was it Ansem? Was it something else? Because like for me, for example, it was not that obvious.
No, Ansem when he will posting the memes, the everything, and
Mm-hmm.
after he started his meme coin, it started
Mm-hmm.
to pump. So it have to go. It have to go up. Like even for a little bit, it have to go up. I mean, I closed before it go to 80 or 85. I think it reached
Mm-hmm.
85. But yeah, for 65, it was so undervalued. Solana, like he have like 300 million meme coin there. We have to pump even a bit.
Fair point. Are you
Yeah.
in any of those like bigger trades right now or no?
No, I'm only in hype long.
I see.
Yeah, right now I'm only.
And if you were to say, obviously nobody knows, nobody has a crystal ball. But how are you positioning yourself right now on the market besides that hype long? Are you looking at any other things?
Right now, no, I'm not actually looking. I'm actually looking if we have like the 1500 ETH, I might long actually. It's a bit scary to long ETH, but I think the RR is there.
Interesting.
ETH is one. Yeah, ETH is like has dumped a lot this year, so we have to go up at some point. It's not, of course, it's not to going to zero. It might not go to all time high, but at least like 2500. Yeah, it have to come easy. This trade will be big actually.
Are you trading traditional market as well, or crypto only?
I'm trying to learn actually because I know nothing about stocks. I know literally nothing. I'm trying to learn, but no, not right. Not with size.
Actually, that's an interesting question because now you're learning, and how you are learning, like what are you doing to learn? I think a lot of people have also this question, whereas they're like, how do I learn? I don't know where to start. So how are you learning? Hey, real quick, if you trade crypto or Forex and you keep running into the same set of mistakes, like taking profits too early, moving stop losses all the time, chasing the pump at 3 a.m., I know exactly what you're doing because I've been in the same place. And that's why we built Lock-in. Analyze thousands of accounts, over 400 data points per trade, 11 emotional states, every single thing that destroy traders. It's like whoop, bad for traders. Now, if you want to get access to top 7 mistakes that destroy over 90% of accounts, go to lockin.trade and leave your email. That will also put you on a priority access for the Lock-in app. Now, let's get back to the podcast.
I'm following some wallets from like in Hyperliquid. I following a lot of I following a lot of stock accounts and Twitter actually. Like they post a lot about the earning stuff and everything. You have to learn that. This is the most everything. Yeah, you have just to learn about it's AI meta right now. I think everything in AI is just going up actually.
Oh yeah. It's really interesting. Like I'm also actually personally trying to like see what stocks are doing. And I think if someone is, say again,
you are in stocks.
Not like I'm only trading stocks on Hyperliquid right now. So
Yeah,
some
same
Meta.
actually.
I long recently when there was the news with the AI that Meta just released. I don't think it's that hard actually. Like it's way more news driven than people think. And sometimes like people, like for example with Meta, I was like, I closed my long way too early, but I was like, is it too obvious? Like, am I the only one seeing that, right? Because Meta that they dumped from like 620 to I think 579, and then from that 579 they announced the news, and it went to 650 the next day. And I think it's not that hard. You just have to like track the earnings, see what's happening, see where is the strength. I think right now it rotated a little bit from like AI and semiconductors to Mag 7, so like Tesla, Nvidia, these kind of stocks. So
but a lot of people
it's a
saying like
process.
a lot of people saying that we will dump hard for after this AI meta. Well, I don't know.
Yeah,
Like,
I'm trying right now to learn about options more. I had this guy on the interview. I think I have to send you a link, by the way, after. His nickname is Big Trout, and he talks a lot about options. The expiries. That's how he trades, based on options and the gammas and these kind of things. Because at the end of the day, from what he's saying, options is what drives the markets. So this is what I'm trying to learn right now personally.
yeah, no, I never been in options actually. It's hard.
Oh yeah, it's very hard. Like you have to be pretty pretty deep down there.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Do you use any AI for your trading or no?
No, I'm just using Claude for like specific questions in stocks actually, but no, I don't use AI.
I see. And for people that are just starting out there, what advice would you give, from right now your perspective?
Right now, if you're new, I just think like don't go to Perps, just go to memes right now. The volume is taken up, so I think if you know, like, if you can make money in memes, you can make money in perps actually. Yeah, because like
Why do you think so? What like dependencies do you see between memes and perps?
like for me, I think like the memes is a bit harder. You know,
Okay.
yeah, it's a bit harder more than perps. But the perps, like, just cost you to lose all your money. If you lose, like, you might lose all your money. That's the only risk you have in perps, not in memes.
Are you still in memes? Like you're still, a buyer sometimes?
Not low caps, maybe. Yeah, I bought like Cashcat at
Yeah.
100 million.
Nice.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah, I bought at 100 million because I saw a lot of people posting, and I saw a
Hmm.
lot actually interning with the community. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it hit 2,020,000 right now, something.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you
I th-
selling or you're waiting for, let's say, Robinhood spot or something?
no, I'm not selling actually. No, not yet. No, I don't think Robinhood will list it actually. No, because
So
like
actually, uh-huh.
if it if they list it, it will pump hard, and all the retail will be exit liquidity. They won't let it like that.
So what do you think is the next catalyst for it then?
Me, I think if Robinhood will post the memes a lot
Hmm.
of people will a lot of people will come, and they become like the main meme of Robinhood, like Bonk we have in Solana.
Hmm.
Yeah, but I don't think they will list it. Like, a
Interesting.
lot of people will lose money there.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's actually a very interesting take because I see a lot of people talking about, oh, there's gonna be Robinhood spot.
Yeah,
But you are right. Like they will, like from the PR perspective, it's kind of a bad move to list the meme on Robinhood.
yeah. It's a lot bad. Like after everyone lost money on that on Trump, they won't let it go again. And everyone lost money on PNUT after they listed. Everything go to
Mhm.
zero after they get the list.
Yeah, and
Like
I
you
think they are
remember?
aware it's a bit of a top signal, no?
Yeah, exactly. Everyone on CT will sell. Like there's nothing to do after that. What you gonna what are you buying after they gonna list it? Nothing.
Yeah, yeah. Literally, there's nothing. There's
Yeah,
no reason to buy because
yeah,
there's nothing higher. There's no catalyst.
yeah. Like it got listed. It won't. Like what are you waiting for after that? Nothing.
Yeah, I think a lot of people like don't have this thinking because like they buy in blindly and then they are like
Yeah, a lot
not
of people.
thinking what could be the catalyst, right, for the growth. So I think like from the strategic perspective, this is also a good advice.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, man. Cool. Thank you for your time. For the people that want to follow you, by the way, where they can find you.
Mostly on Twitter, and I talk a little bit in Telegram.
Hmm.
Actually, yeah. PixPio, my
Yeah,
account.
we're gonna also link it down below so people can go to you and
Yeah,
join
of
and
course.
follow. And I personally enjoy a lot your posts. I hope you're gonna post more somewhere
Oh,
in the
thank
future.
you. Yeah, I think I will post more actually because I'm back. Like the crypto is coming up right now. It's coming.
Hmm.
I hope it's coming back. I hope it's not dead because it's like the best game actually right now in the internet. Like after everyone was trying to make money in Fortnite, right now everyone is trying to making money in crypto. Like that's it.
True,
Yeah,
true. You're right.
I came from Fortnite
Awesome.
actually after I failed in Fortnite.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah,
What was the way to make money in Fortnite? Because like I have no idea. I was never a part of
the
that.
tournaments, just the tournaments.
Oh shit. Okay, so you just had to be a really good player, win with other people, and you
Yeah,
had cash prizes.
yeah, like you have it kind of make you a lot of money. Not right now actually. I think it's dead right now.
Hmm.
It's dead. Yeah, not a lot of people there. You have to be like a very very good to make money right now because
So if you are
it's
in if
yeah.
you are in Fortnite, people to crypto.
Yeah, I have to give up like before because I didn't have the money to, like, I can't wait anymore. I'm getting like aging. Like I can't wait anymore. I have to make money.
Yeah.
So I pivot to crypto. I was trying crypto so hard actually for the
No, I
past
mean,
5 years.
I think it was a good decision. It definitely did pay
Yeah,
off.
yeah, it definitely paid off actually. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for your time, man. Have a good one.
Thanks, man.